It's Saturday, November 18th, and leave it to Brooke. She found a pattern for her daughters to make hats with two yarns that we love, and they are amazing. So she found the tree planter toque, which is just a ribbed beanie. Actually, it's kind of a slouchy in a rib, and it's in a worsted weight. So she chose Rios and this new yarn that we got in, which is a run along called paillettes. So this is the paillettes. What? It's from Lang. Look at those sparkles. It is on a very thin thread. So it is just a carry along with sequins, okay? And she used a Rios worsted weight yarn. Check this out. What? She made these for her daughters. The toque hat pattern says to knit for 9 inches. Well, that would have been a very slouchy hangy hat for her girls. So she knit for 7 inches and then did the reductions. That was just enough to have 1 skein of paillettes, 1 ball of paillettes, and 1 skein of Rios. However, you could not put the paillettes in the very beginning. You wouldn't even notice it, and then do the paillettes if you needed to make it a little bit longer. So that's just FYI. She did not follow the pattern as to the length of it, okay? However, if you want to just no paillettes down here and then decided to do paillettes in the rest, you could make it like the pattern, or you buy 2 skeins of the paillettes, all right? Check it out. This was black with the one I showed you. This is a hot pink, but it was with a hot pink threaded paillette, which of course is no longer here. However, you could duplicate it with the same silver and it would work. Okay, so let me show you some choices. All right, so we have the gold paillettes, right? Gold. There are multitudes of colors that would go with that. This is amazing. Love that. That would make that pop for sure. This is the Siri, Rios Siri. Rios is 21. The paillettes are $16.50. You could also do it with this beautiful camel. Would be gorgeous, right? You could also do it with Anniversario. Amazing. You could also do it with Peach. Amazing. Or you could use this paillette, which is the same gold paillettes, but on a lighter thread, and you could do that with the Peach, and it would just be a little touch of sparkle, and you wouldn't really see the white so much. You could also do that with this one, right? Okay, so you're only limited by your imagination, and we only chose Rios. There are other yarns out there that you could use. Now, here's the multicolored black. I do not have any black Rios, but I do have magenta. What? This is the one I'm going to do for Vivian. Love, love, love it. You could also do this with just a plain, right? Anything. It would be gorge. All right. Now, I've shown you the gold. I've shown you the white with the gold. I've shown you the black. Here is a turquoise paillette with silver. This would be beautiful with Indicita. Yes? Yes. Gorgeous. It would also be very pretty with, this one is called Cape Cod Gray, and it's very green. So I think that would be quite beautiful. You could also do either one of these with the all silver paillettes. Really, you're only limited by your imagination, right? Silver. Or let's go back to this one. You could do this, right? So choices, choices, choices. 1 skein of each if you make the hat just a little bit shorter. Or start your paillettes later, okay? The paillettes have 120 yards, and the Rios has 210. So you'll have Rios left over, but that's why you're limited by the length of this. So, or you can buy 2. There you go. All right, that's my idea for today. I love, love, love. I mean, these are so fun and gorgeous. Her girls love them. Who wouldn't? What? Gorge. All right. You could do this one with blue. You could do it with green. You could do it with purple. Love it. All right. It is Saturday, and so we are tomorrow, Sunday. We are anyone who is nearby and in town and available from 1 to maybe 4. We are going to be working on decorating our Christmas tree outside for Bella Filati. So we're going to be cutting strips of used knitted fabric that we've done for the yarn bombing years ago. And some people are going to be sewing or serging those rings together, and we're going to be doing like the paper chain that we made in grade school. So we're going to make paper chain fabric, paper chains to go all around the tree. So if you've got some scissors and some time, please come tomorrow between 1 and 4 and hang out with us. It will be a fun time, and we will get our tree decorated. That's tomorrow. And then Monday's my bee day, and you know what that means. Buy something and get something else for 71% off. Needle sets are excluded. Beyond that, it's okay. One purchase, one discount. All right. Happy day. I'll see you Monday. I'll be a year older.